Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Writing Quiz. Rewrite the following sentence using the past tense. She sings a beautiful song. She sang a beautiful song. She's singing a beautiful song. She will sing a beautiful song. She sang a beautiful song. Choose the correct form of the verb. The birds blank in the sky. Is, are, am. Are, the birds are in the sky. Identify the adjective in the sentence. The tall tree swayed in the wind. Tree, swayed, tall. Tall. What is the correct punctuation for the following sentence? We went to the store and bought apples, bananas, and oranges. We went to the store and bought apples, bananas, and oranges. We went to the store and bought apples, bananas, and oranges. We went to the store and bought apples, bananas, and oranges. We went to the store and bought apples, bananas, and oranges. Select the correct sentence. They is playing in the park. They am playing in the park. They are playing in the park. They are playing in the park. What is the correct form of the verb? She blank her homework yesterday. Doing, do, did. Did. She did her homework yesterday. Identify the adverb in the sentence. The car moved quickly. Car moved quickly. Quickly. Rewrite the following sentence using the correct capitalization. The United States is a country. Capitalize the United and States. Capitalize the United States and country. Capitalize every word. Capitalize the United and States. What is the antonym of elusive? Obvious, ambiguous, intangible. Obvious. Choose the correct form of the verb. They blanked a delicious meal yesterday. Cook, cooks, cooked. Cooked. They cooked a delicious meal yesterday. Identify the adjective in the sentence. The old book had a leather cover. Book, old, leather. Old. What is the correct punctuation for the following sentence? My sister likes pizza, but I prefer pasta. 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 Write the following sentence using the correct capitalization. The European countries are diverse. Capitalize the and European. Capitalize the. Capitalize the and countries. the and European. Select the correct sentence. He don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. What is the correct form of the verb she blank to the store every day? Goes, going, go. Goes. She goes to the store every day. Identify the adverb in the sentence. The child played happily in the park. Child played happily. Happily. Rewrite the following sentence using the past tense. I write an essay every week. I writing an essay every week. I wrote an essay every week. I will write an essay every week. I wrote an essay every week. Choose the correct form of the verb. The cat blank on the windowsill. Sleep, sleeps, sleeping. Sleeps. The cat sleeps on the windowsill. What is the correct punctuation for the following sentence? She was tired, so she went to bed. 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 Identify the adjective in the sentence. The tall man wore a red hat. Tall, man, red. Tall.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.